that song that we're gonna learn today is called Alone. It's a song by Mary J. Blige. It's from the 2005 album The Breakthrough. Lots of great songs. This one is definitely a classic. I know it's not one of the most famous one that she has, but the guitar on this is beautiful. Alright, so let's get started. So it starts off with D flat minor 7 or C sharp minor 7, depending on how you want to call it. And you just aggressively hit it like that. Okay? So the bottom two strings are the first two strings and the bass. Okay? And then one. Okay? So once, and then one more time, and then you skip and you go to the E flat minor 7 or a D sharp minor 7. Okay? And the next chord is a G sharp minor 7 or an A flat minor 7, but before you go there, you do the exact same thing. Okay? Okay? And then the next chord is a F sharp or just a G flat. Okay? But again, same exact thing. Right? So just to recap. Now, before it goes back to the, or before the guitar goes back to the D flat minor 7, you play a B first, okay, in the lead up to the D flat minor 7. So, okay, and back to the regular progression. And then you can embellish it a bit once you get, add a bit of a pull off and hammer. All right. Now, most of the time when you play an F sharp or a G flat, usually you bar it like this. Feel free to do that. I usually like this shape because it's easier to transition to it. Alright. Okay. Take a look at the diagram so that you guys can see exactly the shapes that I'm using. Very, very easy. Alright, that's most of the song. So yeah. 'Cause I can do this alone. Okay, yeah, that's the whole song. Enjoy.